Hey, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Keda and I'm back with a new video. I'm going to be showing you guys a install portion of this video. I bought some bundles from Amazon and I just wanted a quick weave, so I went ahead and just bought some inexpensive bundles. As you can see, the wefts are really thick. This company does not have a brand name, but it was the first one to pop up in my search. I got 3 bundles of 20, 22, and 24. Let's go ahead and get into the first part of this video. I'm sure it's a million videos on YouTube that show you all how to do a quick weave. This is a snippet on how I do my quick weaves. I am a quick weave girly. I swear by quick weaves. I love quick weaves. It's just really convenient for me on the days I don't feel like throwing on my wig or I don't feel like wearing my natural hair. So we start off by sectioning the hair. As you can see, the middle part, whether you're doing a side part or middle part, you always want to section that out. Braid your hair down and oil your sections. This is so important because we do not want a dry scalp under these stocking caps. I always make sure I put 2 jet black stocking caps on my head. I don't do nude because if you do nude, you will see the nude cap when you do decide to lay your tracks. So what I'm doing right here is just sewing down the base of the cap so it is snug on my head. This is optional. I like doing it because it's just extra secureness and this caps will slip like right off your head. So I like doing this part. I don't skip it. Highly recommend you do this. So we're going to go ahead and layer these tracks. Start with our 24, which is our longest bundle. Then we go ahead and do our 22 and then our 20. I like to go in with a blow dryer between each layer just so I make sure that it's extra secured and extra like sticky and tacky when I'm laying my tracks down. And it's really simple. It's really not that hard, girl. Like if you literally pull up quick weaves on YouTube, you're gonna see it's pretty much the same process. So like I said, I go in with the blow dryer and then as you can see, I'm using a really teeny scissor to cut off the excess cap. I would take my time doing this part because you don't want to cut your hair, girl. Like, take your time when cutting your cap because trust me, it's possible that you can cut your hair. I've done it before, so be careful. But when you're laying your tracks down, you want to make sure that you're layering close to where your leave out is at. And it's okay if it's not lined up because we're going to go back in and lay another track down. Once we're done cutting off the cap, we're going to go in with our hot comb. Girl, you need one of these. If you don't have one, get one. On Amazon, they're like $20. At Walmart, they're like $15. This is like the key thing to having a flat, partial quick weave. So I'm just going through my quick weave, just making sure I try to get like the top part. And just making sure it's just flat all around. Like this is not me straightening the hair. This is me trying to make it flat. So this is a part you definitely don't want to skip. I got this hair from Amazon, 20, 22, and 24 inches for $61. And they have a coupon. This is not sponsored or anything like that. This is just me wanting something quick because I had them braids in for so long. Completely bone straight, Brazilian hair. And that's pretty much it. If you want some more hair review videos, comment below. I want some hair videos and I'll see what I can do. I probably most likely will get back in my hair bag because I used to post a lot of hair videos and then I stopped. But I really didn't want to do a leave out, but y'all, I've been not really feeling the wigs lately, so I've been on my feminine soft girl look. I'm about to give myself a facial and then I'm also about to shave my face and get my eyebrows together. These are my nails. They probably got glue on them, but these are my nails. I went from stiletto to coffin. I'm thinking about going back to stiletto because it honestly was a look. Anyway, I do like the hair so far. Like I said, I'll keep you guys updated. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Keda and I'm back with a new video. As you guys can see, this hair is actually really good. I am a partial quick weave girly. Like, I've transitioned from out of the wigs. Now don't get me started on the wigs, because the wigs definitely was a game changer for me, and it has definitely saved me on a lot of time when I had to go to work, when I was running late. It helped me with hair growth, all of that. So I still may throw on a wig here and there. I've been trying different brands off Amazon. So far it's been 1 week and this hair has been holding up pretty well. Now it has been tangling on the ends. It gets a little dry, as you can see, brittle, but I do work out, so that could be a reason why. And this is just me running my fingers through it, as you guys can see. It's not getting caught, none of that. The oil that I use is an argan oil that I got from TJ Maxx. It was like $5.99. Y'all know how they have that little section with a whole bunch of different types of oils and stuff. I use that to add some shine and moisture to the bundles. But for $60, you cannot beat. And it is true to length. It's true to length. But definitely give this hair I would give it a 7 out of 10. If you guys are interested, the link will be listed in my description box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new, and if you're a return subscriber, as always, thank you girls so much for tuning in. I am the type of person these days, like, I try out things on Amazon. I try to stay away from the reviews, because the reviews will scare the mess out of you. Like, the reviews will have you going the other way, clicking on multiple pages just to find you some bundles. So you kind of just gotta go with the flow and just like scroll through the pictures of the actual seller and go on their storefront to see other products that they sell. And that's how I kind of do my research. Sometimes I go on TikTok and type in the brand name on TikTok, but the Amazon reviews, baby, that they will have you not buying anything. Like, the pictures just don't. Yeah, this hair, it was the first one to pop up when I typed in 24-inch bundles straight, because I'm going for a sleek look. I clicked on the first one. The price was looking decent, and I believe they had a coupon. And I liked about this company, I got the hair immediately. Because it is like inexpensive bundles, you don't get all the razzle dazzle stuff like eyelashes and headbands and eyelash glue, stuff like that. Y'all know how when you order bundles you get all those little knick-knack things. However, they did send me a wig cap, a nude wig cap, which is good to have, you know, just in case. And they did not have a brand name on their packaging, which is okay. Like I said, these bundles are inexpensive, and I could have went to the beauty supply store, but lately the beauty supply store bundles have not been hitting, and I feel like it's synthetic blend. So I'm like, I might as well just go on Amazon, and the beauty supply store is pretty pricey if you ask me. So overall, I'm happy with my purchase. Like I said, if you're interested in these bundles, they will be listed in my description box. I got 3 bundles for $61, next day shipping. So this is not sponsored. I purchased this with my own little $61. If you want more videos like this, or if you are looking to find hair on a budget and just overall want to know how to do a quick weave, definitely consider yourself a subscriber, because girl, I'm about to be doing all things hair, all things beauty, all things clothes, everything affordable, all of that. So definitely consider yourself a new subscriber. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you loves in my next video. Bye loves.